Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your boy Odin here, back with another video. And in today's video guys, I will be talking about if it is possible to downgrade from WatchOS 10 to WatchOS 9. And before I get into the video guys, remember to help me to reach the 1k subscribers before my birthday on October 26th. I hope all you guys are doing well. And let's get right into the video guys. So if it is possible to downgrade from WatchOS 10 to WatchOS 9, and the answer is no guys, it's not that simple to downgrade from WatchOS 10 to WatchOS 9. So once you upgrade to WatchOS 10, it's going to be difficult to downgrade back to WatchOS 9. It's not like you want to downgrade from iOS 17 to iOS 16 on your iPhone. All you need is just your laptop. You need a USB card and your phone and iTunes, and you need that APSW file to downgrade. If you upgrade to WatchOS 10, you will probably have to go into the Apple Store for them to downgrade it for you back to WatchOS 9. So I do recommend guys, if you watch the channel, I give you all the knowledge you need before you're doing certain things as it relates to installing the beta version and downgrading from the beta versions. You need to back up your devices, but it will be difficult. I haven't seen any way that you can downgrade back to WatchOS 9. So definitely guys, if you upgrade to WatchOS 10 on your Apple Watch, be sure that you won't be able to downgrade back to WatchOS 9. So definitely guys, take caution here before upgrading to WatchOS 10. Consider it really well if that's an OS that you want to be on and you don't really want to damage your Apple Watch. So be sure guys that you take precaution when you're going to upgrade, because the Apple Watch are so expensive and you don't want to damage your Apple Watch and upgrading to WatchOS 10 and then you want to downgrade to WatchOS 9. Apple Watch is so expensive guys. I know that you can do so many things with the Apple Watch as it relates to excessive features and so much more and so on. So be sure guys that you make up your mind before upgrading to WatchOS 10, and then if you upgrade to it, it's going to be very difficult to downgrade back to WatchOS 9. And definitely guys, leave your thoughts down in the comment section what you think about this video, because I want to give you guys all the information that you guys need and that you don't make mistakes that you might regret later on, couple weeks from now or a couple of months from now and so on. So remember to like the video, share, subscribe, and help me to reach the 1k subscribers before my birthday so I can have a beautiful birthday gift of 1k subscribers on my YouTube channel on October 26th. Remember guys, take care of yourself. Hope you all doing well. Be safe out there. Peace, and I will see you guys in the next one.